What's up, everybody? Luke here again. Really quick video. Like, I wasn't going to do it, but this is a perfect example of when I was talking about yesterday in video about the product notifications. When a notification comes up to then delete listings, basically to keep listings off of your account if they've been deleted. So you can see here, I'm not even going to delete and whatever. You can see here, attention, notice of product removal, and you can see it is now in here. It's in German, it's in Italian, and it is in whatever language that one is. But you can see here. Now, it doesn't always happen in UK, so you can read that one easily, can't you? Attention, notification, product removal, fine. But these ones, like I saw this first. That one came a bit later. You can see a couple of minutes. Now, for me, I know exactly that those words are not the same as those words. So that is the words you see when you get sale in Germany. And that is not the same thing. Amazon products, and it's longer. That's all I need to, and a notification of the removal of products. You just get used to these letters or whatever. There's one there as well, France. Whatever. Now, I'll go on the UK one. Actually, no, I'm not. I'm going to go on the Germany one. So it's all the same item. But if you go onto it, this is what you see. So anyone like just not really paying attention to their emails, maybe just glancing over it, thinking, oh, it's Amazon, another one. This is what you need to be on top of, because like I believe this is the reason that Kevin Blackburn a while ago, like a year ago, got banned for a very similar product. Now it translates automatically, but it's all in German. Now obviously I've got it set to auto translate, but if you can't do it, copy and paste it into Google Translate. Done. But you can see in here salicylic acid. Now I don't know if you remember me saying, but Kevin Blackburn got banned for a product that had salicylic acid in the product, basically, and he got suspended. And from watching his video and sort of figuring out, piecing it together, yes, it's a banned substance, and that is why it's been deleted. The product has been deleted, but it wasn't that he wasn't selling the item anymore. So it wasn't this item, of course. Well, I didn't think it was. But he wasn't selling it, and he basically didn't see this email because that's all you really get. You just get an email, and sometimes you get a little notification on the account, but I don't even get notifications properly, so can't even rely on that. And he left the item in his inventory. Now I'll show you all that process about deleting the item and how to get rid of it, but these are the sort of things you need to start on, because I know people that don't, but firsthand, I know someone who has been suspended because the system has picked up he still has this product in his inventory and hasn't actually followed the instructions. It literally says, we ask you to create no further entries. Well, I haven't actually read this, but we'll read it. The first removal of this item is no charge. It's forbidden to list affected items again. Please note, coming... okay, well, it doesn't actually say, to be quite honest. But I know better. This is a thing with Amazon. Sometimes it doesn't even say, but it's what it means. So this is the product. We are just going to go ahead and grab the word. It's all the same, and I'll just show you what I mean. So, and sometimes it's only in one country. So you may only get one notification relating to a country. So you wouldn't even get all of the different ones here. So if you go here, salicylic acid there. Let's grab the ace actually. You wouldn't even know, because you're just going through your math. You get all these, like, all of these come through time, and you might just have that one there. And if it's all mixed in, like with, I've got crap in here as well. If that wasn't there and you only had one, you might even just miss it and not know, and you would never know. And only if you came to the item, you think, oh, why is that like stranded? So you might have stranded product, and only when you look into it, but you wouldn't even know. So what I'm going to do is, this is what you need to do. You need to jump into your UK account, which is this one. You need to then search the ASIN. So, boom. Here we go. See, blocked. So if you go onto this product, oh, I don't know what I've clicked. Does it take me to the product? Well, you can see here it doesn't exist anyway. Let's just go back. It's blocked. It doesn't exist. So if I go on the item here, I don't think the list, or it would just be a blank page, or it would be something. We'll click on it. Let's have a look. Let's see. here we go, something's wrong. So the whole product's gone, the page does not exist anymore, it is gone. But obviously it still shows here an inactive block. Now what you want to do is, if you had, let's see, inbound 30, that's annoying. Oh well, I'll have to do, so what I'll have to do is I'll have to recall that once it goes into stranded. Now this is what I'm going to do. So you go here, you want to delete product and listing. That is exactly what you want to click. Your process is going to take 15 minutes. Now, yes, I've got 30 going in, but all that's going to happen, it'll book in, and it'll be stranded, and it will just read as a random item in my stranded. It does say here you can, so let's go on the English version so we can actually read this properly. So obviously the different languages sometimes translate slightly off, so you obviously read the language you can. The original products is often has been removed due to potential safety issues. Remind you that responsibility of products apply with our policies and laws within your inventory. Please review your inventory with any of your listings that may be affected by this application. Please send a further listing of these products where you've got to remove seller privileges. So that's concerning me already, because like now, oh, okay, I'm actually sending it in. The door went. Oh, right. Anyway, you'll temporarily be unable to create. Please note that your shipment is pending. You should not ship any pending orders for this product. You will be temporarily unable to create a removal order for the affected product. After 30 days, please create your order to arrange for the removal. So on the UK one, you actually don't get free withdrawals. You have to actually, you can't withdraw for 30 days. So the ones that are going in have got to withdraw at some point. That's annoying, isn't it? That means they might even fall out of the return policy, but we can find out, doesn't matter. So yeah, you can sort of get a gist, and it just, you can check the product here. So you want to delete the item, and now I have. So if you go back on that item, I'll always check. It doesn't exist. If I need to, and then what will happen is in your catalogue, any items will then appear here in your stranded inventory. Let's see what we've got. Does it show up anything? Probably not. No. I mean, this is ridiculous. This is an item that they booked under a wrong item. Like, they literally booked it in as the wrong item. And now it's hazmat. And now I can't remove it. And when I say to them, you put it under the wrong item, they say, no, we haven't. So that's helpful. And this one then became restricted. So I just left it there. Hopefully it becomes unrestricted, not restricted, hazmat. And then it comes unhazmated after a while, usually, but we'll see. So you see what I've just done. So I've now deleted the product. When that product books in, all of those 30 will show up under on whatever that thing was. I forgot the name. Stranded. That's it. And then I can just, after 30 days after, remove it. Which is fine. It's just how it is. But you don't stop there. No. You got to jump to the Germany website. You got to. So also another thing I've noticed today, the sales aren't popping through. I do hardly any sales really in the European, but the sales for today that show up here, but all the countries aren't showing up. So don't be alarmed. You can go to orders and just look in your pending, and it will show that there is sales popping through. It's just not showing up on any charts. So again, we're going into the Germany website. Oh look, it's still there. Yeah. Delete product and listing. Now you've got to do it for all, because if you don't do it for all, and something happens, you could get suspended on any of the 5 platforms. Not even, so it's not just one. You know, yes, you might not be careful. Oh, it's Spain. Like, I make £3 a month from Spain, but you know, overall, it's not a good thing. So, and it doesn't. Yes, it takes a little bit of time, and you actually have to think about it a bit more than what you probably thought. But this is just a necessary evil. There it is. That you've got to do. And that's it. And I'm pretty sure that this is why Kevin Blackburn got suspended at one time, because he didn't see, or him or whoever picks it up, didn't see the notification. Like I've just seen in my emails, and he then never saw and it did anything. So the product would have still shown like this. I don't know. I know people that haven't actually touched it very often. They don't actually do anything. They don't sell the item again because you can't. It's blocked, but they don't delete it. I just say, for the sake of like 5-10 minutes, just go in to each marketplace, delete. You know, it's a little bit annoying going into each one, I know, but it's very simple, and not everyone even sees it. So if you guys wanna, now you've seen it, now you don't, sort of thing. I'll probably post on the group just a little screenshot saying everyone remove this listing if you sell it, just to help out people. But yeah, so make sure you basically make sure that you delete it. You don't just close it, you delete. You don't just literally change it. You literally click this one. You don't click any of these other ones. It's delete the listing and the product. The listing is what you need to delete, basically, so it doesn't exist in your inventory. So when you search it, it doesn't exist. That's basically what you need to try to get. Anyway, I've just completed it, so yeah, that's going to be the extent of the video, just so you can see what I mean, how I do it, and how to stay on top of it for Q4, because you never know what's going to happen, and you just want to stay vigilant. It might not even lead to anything, but you never know. Anyway, hope you enjoyed the video. See you later. Ciao. Have a good day.